Meaning of gentrification.
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 Gentrification. Gentrification refers to the process of renovating and revitalizing urban areas, typically by affluent individuals or organizations, which often results in the displacement of lower-income residents. Gentrification can lead to the creation of upscale housing, trendy shops, and restaurants, as well as increased property values and improved quality of life for some residents. However, it also often leads to the loss of affordable housing options, cultural displacement, and the marginalization of longtime residents who are unable to afford rising rents or property prices. Overall, gentrification is a complex social phenomenon with both positive and negative consequences.